Nectarines. Now to check our nectarine for ripeness, we want to gently press against the skin, and if it's tender, then it's ripe. When cutting our nectarine, we want to locate this seam right here, and we want to turn it 90 degrees and cut adjacent to it. So here's our seam, turn it 90 degrees, and here's where we want to cut. So just like our avocado, make a slice all the way around the nectarine and then twist to reveal both halves. To remove the pit, we'll use a small rounded spoon to carve around it and dig it out. Now you don't need to throw these pits out, they're great to use for infused syrups or vinegars. You can then cut the nectarine into 2 cm slices, which you can use for a pie or cobbler. You can also give it a rough chop like so, as an addition to a summer salad. And that is our nectarine.